Out with 2018, in with 2019. Happy New Year. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're going to do on Tom's Trains and Things for the new year. So let's get going with this right now. "2018 has come and gone so fast. Time flies when you're having fun. I want to wish everybody a happy new year and hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season. We sure did. My family came down. My daughter came down with the 3 granddaughters after Christmas and stayed a week, and we spent some time at the beach, at the pool, and we ate a lot. Ooh, we ate out a lot. Normally more than what Debbie and I do. We went on a diet shortly after Thanksgiving and lost some weight, but we ended up gaining it all back over the holidays. So it's back to business now, back on that diet again. I want to thank everyone that watched the videos, left comments, and especially contributed through my PayPal Me account on Super Chat and, of course, Patreon. I'll put up the Patreon people over here. I want to thank you very much. A lot of you have been with me since the very beginning, and I have a couple of new ones on there. I want to thank you all very much for your contributions. Without your support, this channel would not be possible. I would not be able to do videos on this channel. So thank you very much. Now, in 2018, I know I said I was going to do some live videos, but actually I only did one, and that was on January 4th. I attempted some other ones when YouTube first came out with the instant live video, and that was a disaster because none of them worked. I guess there were so many people trying out the new feature that first 2 weeks that a lot of people had trouble getting on, and that's the problem I had. I kept on trying and trying and trying. I think I tried 3 or 4 times that first week to do a live video with that new feature, and it just would not work for me. So I just gave up on it. But then I got so busy with everything going on with all the projects that I had, and then going on vacation. I want to talk to you about some of those projects I had, and we're going to continue with those. Some of those were the Arduino Made Easy. I'm going to continue with that, and the Arduino projects, which expands a little bit further on those Arduino Made Easy lessons. And we can't forget DCC++ and Raspberry Pi. We got some more videos coming out on that. In fact, I just ordered a Pololu motor shield, so I'm going to do a video on that coming up shortly as soon as I get that one in. And we did a lot of videos on LEDs and electronics, and I'm going to show you a little bit more on electronics. Some of this stuff back here, you'll see right there, those are some of the electronic projects. Some of them aren't finished yet. And in fact, I got one on the buildings that I've been working on for a long time. I got to get back on that to show you what I have done in 2018. This little gizmo right here, I think I did about 4 months ago that I soldered it for a project, but I never got around to finishing it because I had so many other projects going on at the same time. So I ended up doing all the DCC++ and the Raspberry Pi and the other stuff. These things right here. But anyway, some of the videos in 2018 really skyrocketed. There's only a few that I did in 2018 that really took off. Most of them were in 2017, but they really took off in 2018. And I want to tell you what they are. 10 most common mistakes, that's over 90,000 views. The one on the power supply, that's over 52,000 views. The DPDT switch, that's over 30,000 views. And my soldering one on the feed wires is over 28,000 views. Those have really taken off. I want to thank everybody for watching those videos and commenting on those videos. I really appreciate it. So thank you. So let's get on to what we're going to do in 2019. First of all, in 2019, we got 3 train shows coming up in the next 5 weeks. One in Volusia County on January the 12th. That's about a 4-hour drive, so that may be an overnighter for us. we got to go through Orlando, and that's kind of slows us down a little bit. But anyway, that's one of them. Next one is the Villages on February the 2nd. That's a 3.5-hour drive. That's another overnighter for us. And then on February 9th, Scale Rails. So I'll be doing videos on all of them. I don't know. I'm not yet decided on the Volusia County one yet. If we scrape up enough money for the hotel room, we'll go to that one. But anyway, we'll have some videos on those train shows. I got the Pololu, like I said before. I got that ordered. I'm going to do a video on that. Speaking of Pololu, I found some brackets for the servos. I was going to use this one from Iowa Scale Engineering, which has a little circuit board, but since I found the ones from Pololu, I'll be using that one. But also on this one here, I'll be doing a video on the Iowa Scaled Engineering servo for your switch machines. And since the one hair worked pretty good, I'm going to order 2 more of them. I have a reversing circuit right here, and I have another one on the other side. So I'll probably be getting a couple of more of those, and I'll be doing the projects, and I'll show you, give you an update on those when I do them. So look out for those also. The servo for the crossing gates, long awaited, because it took a long time to get these. Everybody was out of stock. I even bought these Bachmann ones. I was going to do it on that. So we're going to have one on that. We're going to have some more on these projects over here. Like I said before, on this one here for the building. I got 12 lights on there, plus I have sound effects on it. The same manufacturer of this DF Mini, they make another one that doesn't require an SD card. I think I showed it to you for some time ago. I'll be doing a video on that too. I'm going to get that working. I'm going to do some sound effects on thunder and lightning back in my corner. And I'm going to have instant thunder and lightning for close lightning and distant lightning, where you'll see the flash and then later on you'll hear the sound. So we'll have 2 different effects. I'll have it back in the corner. I'll show you a picture of that right there. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a lot of more Arduino projects. We're going to be doing a lot more electronic projects. On my web page, all my Arduino projects and the other projects are on that web page. I'll put a link in the description. On Facebook, I moved my personal Facebook to a Tom's Trains and Things page. So now everything that I put on there for Tom's Trains and Things will be on the Tom's Trains and Things page on Facebook. I have a Twitter account, Tom Kvichak, and I have an Instagram account, Tom Kvichak. I occasionally post stuff on there. But anyway, that's all my social media stuff on there. As far as more projects, as more videos, I'm going to continue. If you have any suggestions on videos that you would like to see, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. A lot of electronic stuff, and oh yeah, and I almost forgot, Crossing Rock Creek. Over the holidays, I haven't done very much. I did a little bit before Christmas that I haven't showed you yet, but we'll continue on there. We maybe have another 2 or 3 on Crossing Rock Creek, and I got a lot of kits that I need to assemble. I have probably over a dozen rolling stock kits that I just found on a shelf. I had about a bunch of them, and then I bought some more at the last train show, so I got a lot of those kits to put together, and I got a lot of building kits. I have a couple of Bar Mills kits. I have some JL Innovation kits. I think I still have another Foscale models and a couple other laser cut wood kits. I can't remember the manufacturer of it. And then I have all those Walthers modular things. I'm going to do some building flats on there, so I'm going to put them back on this edge here. And I still have some of those paper ones that something similar to this one right here. I have another one that I'm going to put back here. So we got a lot of things coming up in the new year, so keep an eye out for them. I really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate you contributing. Keep the comments coming. Keep the suggestions coming on what you want to see as projects. And Happy New Year. And until the next time, we'll see ya. Oh man. It didn't stop. My goodness.